Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning parallax effect in PowerPoint. Let's dive right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and head over to the Insert tab. Click on Pictures and choose a stock image that you like. Insert it into your slide, then duplicate it. Align both images to the center and middle of your slide. Now, click on Picture Format and select Remove Background in the top left corner. You'll see purple highlights over the areas that PowerPoint wants to remove. If there are any patches left behind, just use the marker tool to drag and fix them. Once everything looks good, click Keep Changes. Next, it's time to add some shapes. Insert a rectangle and stretch it across the bottom of the slide. Right-click the shape and choose Format Shape. Then, click on Gradient Fill and adjust the gradient colors. Make the bottom part of your image transition from light to dark for a beautiful effect. After that, group the image and the shape together. Now, head back to the Insert tab, click Pictures again, and choose another stock image. This time, click Crop, select Crop to Shape, and choose the rounded rectangle. Click Crop again, and resize the image so it fits perfectly on the slide. Position your image in the lower part of the slide. Now, insert a text box and drag it onto your slide. Add the text and position it on the left side. Go to Shape Format and click Send Backward to layer the text behind the other elements. Adjust the text until it's in the right spot. Next, select the text box again, drag it to a new spot on the slide, and insert new text. Duplicate the slide, and make sure the shape is correctly adjusted. Next, move the shape into position and adjust it properly on the slide. Then, do the same with the image, move it into place and adjust it to fit perfectly. Now, move the text box outside the image area. Select the image and text on the lower side of the slide, then adjust them so they fit well. After that, select the image and go to the crop option to adjust the size so it fits just right. Go back to the first slide, center the text over the image, and click Send Backward again to layer it correctly. Once that's done, select all your slides, go to the Transitions tab, and apply the Morph transition. Duplicate the slide once more to complete the effect. And that's how you create a stunning parallax effect in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching the video.